Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using TNG eWallet and need to move your money to your bank account, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a simple, step-by-step guide on how to do this in 2025. With the latest updates, the process is even faster and more secure, making it perfect for managing your finances on the go. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to digital wallets, this tutorial will have you transferring funds in no time. First things first, make sure you have the TNG eWallet app updated to the 2025 version. Open the app on your smartphone and log in with your credentials or biometric authentication for added security. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard and look for the Transfer or Send Money option. It's usually front and center for easy access. Next, select Bank Transfer from the menu. You'll be prompted to choose your bank from a list of partnered institutions. If your bank isn't listed, don't worry, you might need to add it manually by entering your account details. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check this to avoid any mistakes. It's always good to verify before proceeding. After that, the app will ask for additional details like your bank account number and any required verification codes. In 2025, TNG has enhanced security with features like facial recognition or a one-time PIN sent to your phone. Once you've confirmed all the info, hit the Confirm Transfer button. You'll get an instant confirmation message, and the funds should appear in your bank account within minutes, depending on your bank's processing time. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always ensure you have enough balance in your e-wallet. Keep an eye out for any transfer fees which might have changed in 2025, and double-check recipient details to prevent errors. If you run into any issues, the app's help section or customer support is just a tap away. And there you have it. Transferring money from TNG eWallet to your bank account is straightforward and secure. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.